8th problem. Fine, let us start solving it. Ram, Rahul and Rohit shared a bag of marbles. The bag contained 272 marbles. How many marbles were left over after the friends shared them equally? Right, it's a simple division problem. So you just check it out here. What we can do. So there are 3 friends, that is Ram, correct, Rahul and as well as Rohit. There are 3 people, right, 3 friends. So they have total 272 marbles, correct? Marbles. You should read the problem carefully. What they asked is how many marbles were left over after the friends shared them equally. First of all, we are supposed to share the marbles equally. That's what we can do. So start dividing by 3. 272 total number of marbles, that divided by 3, right? 3 nines, right? 27, correct? 0 will bring down 2. You cannot divide, so that's what I'll put 0 here. So 90 marbles they can share. See, now let us check out. You give, see, Ram 90, correct? 90, 90 and 90. Rohit 90. 90 plus 90, 180. 180 plus 90 is 270. Right. The question what they asked, don't select this option. See, the question is what? How many marbles were left over? That's very important thing. How many marbles were left over? What you need to select now? So 270. Total is 270. Marbles is equally distributed. How many marbles were there in a bag? That is 272. So 272 minus 270 is 2. So 2 marbles left over after the friends shared them equally. The answer here is D.